Hello traders and investors. I am R. Harish, SEBI Registered Research Analyst. Disclaimer: investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. For more details on our premium services, contact us at 76399 Post Market Report, July 13th, 2026. Opportunity Radar for July 14th, Tuesday. Tomorrow there is an expiry in Nifty. Today Nifty and Sensex gap down and recovered the gap, closed strongly above 24,000 level due to the IT sector strength. Market mood today turned from neutral to cautiously optimistic because the gap down of 170 points absorbed and partially recovered. Prices closed above 24,000 support level, a psychological level in the market. IT sector led the market with 3.59% bullish close. Nifty PCR is also strongly bullish. Bank Nifty is a balanced PCR because there is lot of large cap company banks result this week. Both HDFC and ICICI have result on Friday. So we have to wait and watch. If there is a positive result, Bank Nifty will also turn bullish. Sector performance: IT lead the market today, followed by pharma, auto and realty and banking. The losers being PSU banks, media, metals and FMCG. Private banks are slightly gaining, PSU banks are dragging. So that's why Bank Nifty is in a mixed bag, not clearly bullish or not clearly bearish. Today's top gainers mostly are in technological side. Newgen, Sonata Software, MapMyIndia, Zensar Tech are all, Tata Tech are, most of the stocks are from technology and IT area and few other mixed bags. Top losers being a mixed bag and Indian Bank, J&K Bank, Siemens Energy are some of the notable companies which closed more than 3% negative. As per options data, the support and resistance for Nifty still remain at 24,000 support and 25,000 resistance. Nifty and Sensex PCR shows bullishness. Bank Nifty is neutral based on the two-way direction of the PSU banks as well as private sector banks. Bullish long build-up and short covering happened in technology stocks. You can see Newgen, Zensar Tech, Tata Tech, Sonata Software. All these are giving short covering and long build-up, whereas short build-up and long unwinding is happening in J&K Bank, Indian Bank and other mixed group of sectors. Unusual volume came in Canara HSBC Life Insurance, an insurance company, and Newgen Softwares. Tomorrow's key watch list: HCL Tech expecting result, Kalyan KGL, there is a dividend ex-dividend date and strong momentum. JSW Infra, there is a India-UK SETA impact on this stock. Tata Tech segment is gaining momentum. Zensar Tech mid-cap IT, it is also gaining momentum as per IT sector momentum. And DMart may be a buy and dip opportunity. All the stocks are for illustration only, not a recommendation. You have to do your fundamental analysis and technical analysis before taking any decision on this watch list. So tomorrow's Nifty resistance, support is at 24,100 to 150 level and resistance is at 24,300 to 325. Today's overall outlook, there is a resilience at 24,000 levels led by IT sector's positiveness. Nifty put call ratio is also bullish. Large cap IT and banking sector results are coming this week. We have to watch out for the positive trend or any lag in the trend. If you are trusting someone with your stock market journey, choose research over speculation. We are a SEBI registered research analyst. To learn how to trade and invest using our momentum framework, for free consultation and demo, of our services, call us at 763 999 3695. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.